Uh-oh. God bless you. God bless you. Get him to smile again.
Hey, buddy boy.
Steven, I don't want your head in the
Cable's
picture.
more annoying than
Hey,
Chill.
baby, baby, baby.
Dennis that squeezes down the guy's throat. I mean, you probably saw that commercial 500 times.
Here we go. Look. Okay, too much of your head in there. Good one, smile.
Hey, did you give us a little side smile?
Hello there. Woo, hi. Hi. There's a smile. Yes, there's a smile. Yes, that's a good one. Good one. Oh, yes.
He's a big boy.
Good one.
He's a big boy. Yes, he is. You're getting a lot of attention, aren't you?